Friends, today I am here to tell you the question answers of the poem Lines Composed on a Wood on a Windy Day. So, friends, let us go to the question answers. So, friends, these are the question answers.
आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई। आज से मेरा घर तेरा। आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई। आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया। आज से मेरी सारी खुशियां।
So, friends, that's all for today. Tomorrow I will post a video of this chapter 2 Michelangelo. Hope you are understanding my videos. If you have any queries, please comment me.